And EPB also has its own ATM program. Turning to KMI and the warrants and share repurchase, in the El Paso acquisition, we issued 505 million warrants. They have a $40 strike price and a May 2017 maturity. In the long-term projections that Rich went over this morning, the impact of those warrants have been taken into account. The board has approved a number of different programs over time that allows us to either repurchase warrants and shares. To date, we've repurchased about 157 million warrants, so that leaves about 348 million warrants remaining, and we've repurchased about 5.2 million shares. There's about $94 million remaining on the current program. And in terms of future authorizations, those will just have to be balanced with our overall leverage metrics at KMI.